Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abir Seher. I'm a student of Comsat University Islamabad Wa campus, and my registration number is FA20BCH107. Topic of today's discussion is the religious and historical significance of Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara. Actually, the reason behind the selection of this unique topic is that all of you know that this topic is very hot nowadays in Pakistan and as well as in India. Our Prime Minister Imran Khan has also recently reopened a corridor for Sikh. So let's talk about its religious significance. Kartarpur marks the most significant phase in the life of Guru Nanak Dev. Actually, Guru Nanak Dev was one of the founders of Sikhism. He laid the foundations of new faith, and he spent his last 18 years of his life at the bank of River Ravi. He practiced three pillars of Sikhism, like working hard at whatever task one undertakes and an honest living, share wealth, possessions, and talents with others, and meditation through reciting and singing, etc. Historical significance. Kartarpur Sahib was established by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the Sikh Guru, in 1522. On 22nd September 1539, Guru Nanak Dev Ji took the last breath in this Gurdwara and spent around 18 years of his life. Kartarpur Sahib is in Narwal district of Pakistan. It is about 3 to 4 kilometers away from Dera Baba Nanak in Gurdaspur district of Punjab and about 120 kilometers from Lahore. Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara, India. Gurdwara Kartarpur Sahib can be seen from another Gurdwara located across the border at the historical town of Dera Baba Nanak in India. Both sites are one of the holiest places in Sikhism. Recently, there has been lobbying to open the corridor for Sikhs from India to visit the shrine without any hindrance for visa. Kartarpur Sahib Border, India. During the partition of India in 1947, the region was divided between India and Pakistan. Holy Shrine Kartarpur Sahib remained in Pakistan, and Holy Shrine Dera Baba Nanak left at the bank of River Ravi in the district Gurdaspur to Punjab, means in India. After partition, it is believed that Indian Sikhs would go over to Kartarpur informally by crossing a bridge on the River Ravi, which joined Dera Baba Nanak and Kartarpur Sahib. The bridge was eventually destroyed in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. However, in November 1974, a protocol was agreed between India and Pakistan for visit of Sikh holy shrines. Inauguration Kartarpur Sahib Corridor. On 26th of November 2018, Indian Vice President laid the foundation stone of the Dera Baba Nanak Kartarpur Sahib corridor at a village in Gurdaspur district of Punjab, India. And now in November 2018, Prime Minister Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, also laid the foundation stone, the Kartarpur Sahib corridor near the Narwal district of Pakistan in Punjab. Kartarpur Sahib corridor. Pakistan government has agreed to allow visa-free travel of 5,000 Sikh pilgrims per day throughout the year to visit via Kartarpur corridor to Gurdwara Kartarpur Sahib. They will be allowed to travel either in groups or as individuals, or they will also be allowed to go on foot. Kartarpur Sahib corridor security concern. Indian government raised security concerns about Pakistan-based individuals and organizations who could try to disrupt the pilgrimage, but Pakistan government assured the Indian government that it would not allow any anti-India activity using the Kartarpur corridor. Kartarpur Sahib distance from Indian border. Kartarpur Sahib distance from Indian border is 6 kilometers approximately. It's Not a very large distance, so now it's easy for Sikhs to come there. Kartarpur Sahib corridor map. So here is the map of Kartarpur Sahib corridor. You can see that here's the details of this map, and you can also see this map using this link. This is Gurdwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur in Pakistan. So I am ending my discussion with this map. Thank you so much.